So good evening YouTube, this is Sundalo Abel and we are featuring the Type 56-2 assault rifle made by Norinco. This weapon in particular was captured from the NPA last 2014. So first off, let's check if it's unloaded. The magazine is unloaded and there is nothing in the chamber. So as you can see, the Type 56-2 is the folding stock model. The button is over here to fold the stock for easier transportation and less snagging in the bush. It uses a 30-round steel magazine, also made by Norinco. Other details of this weapon, you can actually research it on YouTube or in Wikipedia. The selector switch is the reverse for Western rifles. The AK, this is the safety position. The first position is already in full automatic, and then the third position is in semi-automatic. The furniture compared to the original AK is in plastic. The furniture is in plastic, but the rest of the weapon is steel. The caliber of this weapon is 7.62 by 39 compared to the M14 that is 7.62 by 51. The advantages of this weapon is it is shorter and more reliable than the M16, and also one of the neat tricks of reloading this weapon, as you can see here, you could just press the latch, release the weapon, and insert a fresh magazine. The disadvantages of this weapon is it requires a lot of maintenance. Since it's made of all steel, it rusts easily in a tropical environment. So thank you for viewing my video. God bless you all. Okay, press na lang yung ano.